Okay, on Zoho Inventory, there is a ability to set up warehouses. Warehouses allow you to track where your goods are. So you could be a manufacturing organisation, and you could have your goods coming in from your suppliers. You may need to work on those goods, manufacture those goods, and then you may hold your items in another warehouse to be sold to somewhere else, to your customers. So let's set up a warehouse. So we go to settings and we go to warehouses. You can see how I've already set up some warehouses previously. We're going to go to new warehouse. We can call this warehouse 10. Put somebody's particular name if ever we need to send something to this particular warehouse. This will be the default. So any stream, any city, United Kingdom, because of the purposes of VAT. Put here any postcode, and then we can put our email address in. So these are the defaults now of this new warehouse, and our warehouse is now down here.